Joe, did you call Hutchinson Mechanical yet? Remember last time you tried to fix the furnace?
No, I got it, Karen. I can handle it. It should be 123. I just need to grab the thing from the store. The thingamabob. I will just have to borrow some tools and watch a few videos. Piece of cake. Haw haw.
But Joe, my sister got a new high-efficiency furnace from Dave Hutchinson. Wasn't that expensive and will save money on the heating bills?
Karen, you don't think I can fix it? Is that right?
Not that, dear. It's just that we deserve to have a reliable furnace, and the ladies at the restaurant were saying how quite their Fujitsu mini split is. Maybe that's what we should get Joe.
I do like the thought of that, babe. No more steam heat. Fujitsu mini splits? You know that is the most efficient system in the world. I do know that much.
I'll get the number for Hutchinson Mechanical off my sister. I'm so excited to get rid of the knocking, the banging, and filling that thing up. Brr.
Sounds great, dear. John down the road has one from Hutchinson Mechanical. He said it makes enough heat all winter long and air conditioning without ducts. Sign me up.
Great news, Joe. Sis said Dave will stop by tomorrow. And she said they were great. Fast and clean, and the whole house is warm. I can't wait.
Me too. Let's celebrate our plan with dinner and drinks, my love.
Haha, I know it's in our budget, Joe, cause our heating bills will be way down.
True dat, honey. True dat.
If the temperature drops and your heater stops, call Hutchinson. Hutchinson Mechanical on the web at hutchinson-mechanical.com or call 570-793-1344. Remember, if the temperature drops and your heater stops, call Hutchinson. Hutchinson Mechanical.